Hello everyone. So today I'm going to show you how to format this laptop. So what are the usual reason why you format a computer? So the main reason, the only reason, just for me so the only reason why I format a computer is because it is infected by a virus. So once your computer is infected by a virus, so dapat na jud na ninyo limpyuhan. Because if you don't format or clean your computer, um, there are only two things. Your computer will experience lagging, or your computer will be damaged. So it's really, really important once your computer infected by a virus, so you need to clean it or you format it. So how will you know if your computer is infected by a virus? So if you can notice that some of your files, once you open it, so ma uh, the content of it were different. It was converted in the text were converted into some uh, unusual characters, or some of your files were converted into shortcuts, or some of your files were immediately deleted. So that's how you will identify, or you will know that your computer is infected by a virus. So I have a flash drive here. So this flash drive has files on it, but this flash drive is not, or doesn't have any virus. So I'm going to insert that flash drive into this laptop. Then let's see if some of the files were deleted, or some of the files were converted into shortcuts. So now the flash drive has been detected by the computer. So let's open it. So here's what I said. If you can see this also, let me zoom it. So you can see that the files were converted into shortcuts. So meaning this computer is infected by a virus. So you can also see here on the type. So it was all converted into shortcut. So I'm going to format this flash drive. So meaning I will delete all the files here. I will clean this flash drive. Then after I format it, so expectedly there are no files left. So let's format this flash drive just by pointing the cursor to the flash drive, then right click on your mouse or on your touchpad, then just select format. Just check this box here, quick format. So for the quick format, then click start and click OK. So let's wait for it to finish formatting, then click OK and close. So it's clean now. So you can see that there's no longer the green progress bar here. Let's open again the flash drive. There's still a file left. So meaning, no matter how we format the flash drive in this computer, it will still have a virus left. So what we're going to do is, we're going to format this flash drive on a clean computer, but first we're going to scan the flash drive first by an antivirus before formatting it. So to eject a flash drive, just go to this arrow here on the taskbar, click that arrow, and just click this icon and click eject. So you're going to identify what's the name of your flash drive, because what about there are many flash drive inserted on a certain computer, so you need to identify which is your flash drive or which flash drive that you want to eject. Then wait for that notification to appear before pulling out your flash drive on the computer. Now let's go cleaning this flash drive. So let's insert this. So once it is detected by your computer, don't open it first, because we know that the flash drive that we inserted was infected via virus. So if you have an antivirus on your computer, so let's scan it first. So what I have here is an Avast antivirus. So if this appears, so don't really ignore this when you're inserting a flash drive on your computer, because it is really important that you scan first the flash drive, because you have no idea where that flash drive came from. So scan first before opening the flash drive. So just wait for the scan to finish. So here, so you can notice that the file, so a while ago, the only file that was left on the flash drive was named files, and it was detected as a thread. So we're going to delete that file by clicking this resolve all. So wait for it. Then click done. So meaning the virus now was deleted. But to be sure that it's completely clean, your flash drive, so we're going to format it again. So go to this PC or whatever name of your of your computer. So just look for this icon on your desktop, or if you have here, or if you have this, so just click that. So again, let's format the flash drive that we inserted, so to be sure that it's really completely clean. Right click, select format, then click start, click OK, then wait for it to finish, and click OK again, then close. So there, so on the PC computer with the virus, so when we formatted the flash drive, so we expected that the flash drive is completely clean or no files left. So but when we open it, there's a file left. Then let's, in here we're going to check it if there's no more files left on the flash drive after formatting the flash drive. So you can see it says the folder is empty, so meaning this flash drive is completely clean. So now let's go back to the infected computer. Now that we have confirmed that this laptop is infected by a virus, so that's the time we're going to format this laptop. So there are two ways in formatting a laptop. So the first way is the first way is using a bootable device. So the bootable device, it can be a CD or a flash drive. And the other way is by going to settings, update and security, then recovery. So there, under recovery, you can find the reset PC and an advanced setting. So you're just going to select reset PC. Then there are options where there are options there that which drive you want to reset. So if your computer is having a two partitions, or let's say local disk D and local disk C, so if that's the case of your computer, you're just going to reset the local disk C, because that's where your operating system was installed. But if your computer is only having a one partition, so you have no other choice but to reset the that drive and remove all the files that was installed that were installed on that computer. So just like what I said, there are two ways in formatting a PC. Going to settings or using a bootable device. So what I'm going to do here is try first by going to settings. So in doing that, just click this start button. By the way, this laptop is on Windows 10 operating system. So in Windows 10 and Windows 8 and Windows 10 operating system, they have their own pre-installed there's a operating system there that you can use in formatting your computer, unlike Windows 7 or the lower version of the Windows operating system. You need a bootable device where that you need to use in formatting a computer. So okay, back to going to settings. So let's click this icon here. It's for the settings, so that icon there. So that click settings, click again because didn't. Okay, so if you're having problem like that, so try searching the settings and open it. Okay, we can't open the settings, so that's a problem, because that's the easiest way in formatting your computer, just by going to settings, the update and security, and the recovery. So since we can't open the settings, so we're going to use a bootable device, a flash drive rather, in formatting this laptop. So the good thing here in Windows 10 operating system, you can download it freely on the Microsoft website. So just search for the Windows 10 download on Google, then click this download Windows 10, and click this download tool now. So I already downloaded this file. It's already so here. So let's locate that. So it's already here. So then we're going to install this to the flash drive that we cleaned a while ago. So it's really important that you're going to use a clean flash drive, an empty flash drive, because this tool here, or this software here, is going to format your flash drive, convert it into NFTs type of flash drive, so that it can be a bootable flash drive. So let's open this tool or application. Just click yes. So let's wait for it to load. So just click accept. Wait for it. So what we're going to do is we're going to create an installation media on a flash drive. So let's select this option. We're not going to upgrade this PC. So let's create an installation media on a flash drive. So select it and then click next. Then you can this uncheck this, so you can select whatever language or edition you wanted and architecture. So if your computer is having a 32-bit architecture, so you can choose 32-bit, and if your computer is having a 64-bit architecture, select 64-bit, or you can choose both. So for this bootable device, or I'm going to select both, for so that it can be flexible. It can be used for 32-bit and 64-bit application architecture. Then once you're done selecting, so just click next and just select this USB flash drive, because we're using the flash drive as our bootable device. Or if you are going to use a CD, so use this ISO file, so it will going is so the ISO file will be burned on your CD. So since flash drive, so USB flash drive, select it, then next. Then select the flash drive that you inserted. So if there are no other flash drive, just select the one that you inserted. If there are other flash drive, so just select the flash drive which you want to create the media installation media. Then click next. So let's wait for it. So it will only take a few minutes to finish. So finally our bootable device is complete and ready to format the infected computer. So correction about, it will only take a few minutes in finishing and creating the media tools. So I was wrong. It will take hours to finish in creating your media tools. So it depends on your internet connection, on how many hours it will finish. So now let's start formatting the computer.